A university is not just a place for education. It is a place for learning, growth, and being accepted. It should be where we discover who we are. But for some students, they experience a different case and find themselves feeling isolated instead.
Have you ever felt like you don't belong, even for a place that's meant for everyone? Not because of what you did, but because of who you are.
This happens more often than we think. It is a quiet reality that many face every day.
A careless joke, a quick label, a blind assumptions.
They may be small and people might treat them harmless, but they leave a huge and lasting impact on a person's life.
Do I have to change who I am just to fit in?
Will I be accepted if I speak up? Or it is safer to stay silent and blend in?
Sometimes exclusion doesn't look obvious. It isn't always loud. It can be mispronounced names or unintentional comments that hurt just the same. What can we do?
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 We can start today.
In our daily interactions, small things can make a difference. We do not need a big gesture. The smallest actions and the fewest words can affect someone's confidence and sense of identity.
When students feel accepted, they participate more and perform better in class. Inclusivity builds a stronger and more supportive academic community for all of us.
We need to use respectful language and correct pronouns. Avoid assumptions about someone's identity. Listen, learn, and be open-minded. Speak up when you see discrimination.
It is not complicated. It doesn't require a manual. It starts with respect and continues with understanding. Each one of us has a role to play to make an inclusive university.
Inclusivity starts with us.
You exist.
You matter.
You are seen.
You are heard.
You are accepted.
You are included.
Let's build a gender and inclusive university together.